First of all, happy Dashera from my side, from Jeet Pinnacle Institute side, to all my dear members. Of course, today I have come up with another topic. Mostly people take one action and then they regret. What I want you people to do, take actions, then you regret. Some people without taking actions, they regret. What do I want you people to do it? At least take some more actions. Don't take one. Some people who take one action and then they regret and they back off from their fears and they try to save themselves. Why? Because once they get rejected, they do not hope, they do not want to go for another action. But what I want you people to do it, you take lots of actions, because what happens, those people who keep taking actions, they keep making attempts. Making an attempt only once, it means you will not become successful. And this is the real thing. Those people who keep taking the attempts and those who keep taking actions, of course they also lose 80% times. It means if I have taken 100 times actions, so out of 100, 80 times 100% I would lose. And it is proved, it's proven. But the thing is that people do not feel it because they have not gone through the research. Those people who have gone through the research, they have taken the experience, that's why they have taken the research. They have fumbled out these sorts of things. They know that how to go through this problem. They have experienced it. So if you take action and you regret it, it means you have taken one action. But if you take lots of actions, what happens? You need to expand your comfort zone. And how would you expand your comfort zone? Sometimes some people take some actions and they get the comfort zone and they don't want to leave their comfort zone. They want to stay glued to the comfort zone. What I want them to do, they need to expand their comfort zone. What would happen? Successful people, those who get the comfort zone, they leave that comfort zone and they go for another comfort zone. It means they go for another goal. And once they achieve that goal, again they go for another goal. And once again they achieve that goal, again they go for another goal. It means what happens? They keep expanding their comfort zone. They have the will to take more actions. And believe in me, they do not get success. They do not succeed at once. They have lots of attempts. And they lose most of the times. But even though they do not lose the hope, they don't get despair, they don't get dismayed. They keep taking the actions and they don't regret. They never regret. And what happens when they keep taking the actions? They lose lots of things. They get the experience and then they use this experience in another goal. And they expand their comfort zone. Mostly people ask, sir, how successful people become successful? Because they have the goals. They expand their comfort zone. If you want to be one of those, really, you need to expand your comfort zone. And how could you expand your comfort zone? When you take more actions. When you take more actions, it means you will get the experience. And once you get the experience, you will have the research. Let me give you an example. You know very well, Chicken Soup for the Soul, the book. This book was rejected 144 times. In beginning 34 times it got rejected and 35th time it is sad, it was selected. But 144, after 144 of rejections, you know, the author of this book did not leave the hope. It means how many times they attempted and they made an attempt. Even though they did not lose the hope. They kept going, they kept on going, they kept going, they kept on going, and at last they achieved. And this book was sold, the copies of this book was 525 millions. Big deal, huge deal. So how it happened? Jack Canfield and Mark Hansen, they both authors kept on making an attempt. Same is with us. Whenever you want to achieve any goal, Don't think after achieving the goal you need to do nothing or you don't need to do anything else. You need to go for another goal. Once you go for another goal, what will happen? You will expand your comfort zone and then you will become the successful person. Keep doing, keep enjoying. This would be better for everybody, for you also. In this way you would be helping others also. Thank you guys for listening to me. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time ahead.